Wait, if it's hairy, that means I'm eating hair?
I don't like eating piffed.
Do you know what fruit this is?
Absolutely not.
Do you know what fruit this is? Have you ever seen that fruit before?
Never.
Do you know what this fruit is?
No.
How do you think it looks?
Interesting. I think it looks like a soccer ball or a basketball.
What does it look like to you?
It looks like a watermelon.
How do you think you cut or open this fruit?
Take this thingy off and start peeling.
This fruit is called a pomelo.
Pomelo.
Oh, pomelo. I've heard about pomelo.
Do you want to try this fruit?
Definitely. It's very yummy.
How does it taste?
Feels like jelly, but it looks like an orange.
A little sour. Too sour. To be honest, it is pretty good.
Do you know what this fruit is called?
Yes, rambutan.
It's like a rambutan monkey.
How does it look?
Hairy.
Yes, the color is kind of like a dragon fruit, and it is spiky like a dragon fruit.
But how do I get it out? It's so difficult. It's so hard.
How do you think you eat this? Do you know how to eat it?
Yeah, I think like you crack it open, and then there's like some stuff inside like a mangosteen, then you just take it out and eat it.
And I know how to eat this. There's a big seed in the middle of this thing.
Do you know how to open this fruit?
Yes.
Go ahead and try it.
Yeah, I can open
I really don't know. Strong people open it with their bare hands, but my hands, nah.
I just take the seed out.
Sour. I like it.
It tastes good.
Can you tell me how does it taste?
It tastes sweet.